Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's our topic is Newton's law of cooling. The rate of change of temperature of a body is proportional to the difference between the temperature of the body and that of the surrounding medium. That means the temperature of the body be the theta and the surrounding mediums will be theta naught. The rate of change of the temperature of a body is proportional to the rate of change of temperature of a body is proportional to the difference between the temperature of the body and that of the surrounding medium. Difference between the temperature, that means theta, minus theta naught, that means temperature medium, that is known as Newton's law of cooling. Here theta be the temperature of the body at time t and theta naught be the temperature of its surrounding medium. Let's discuss formula derivation. By Newton's law of cooling, d theta by dt is directly proportional to theta minus theta naught. That is d theta by dt equal to minus k into theta minus theta naught. K is constant. And by variable separable method, d theta by theta minus theta naught, that means d theta by theta minus theta naught equal to minus k into dt. So that integrating on both sides, integration of d theta by theta minus theta naught equal to minus k integration of d dt plus c, that is k is constant. We know that integration of 1 by x is log x. Similarly, log into theta minus theta naught equal to minus k into t plus log c. This is in the logarithm function, so we have to consider here log c. Then log into theta minus theta naught minus log c equal to minus kt, that is log by logarithmic function log a minus log b equal to log a by b. Similarly, log into theta minus theta naught by c equal to minus kt. That is here logarithm functions to right hand side, it is in exponential form. Theta minus theta naught by c equal to e power minus kt, that is theta minus theta naught equal to c into e power minus kt, that equal to theta naught plus c into e power minus kt. Here it is very simple and easy to solve Newton's law of cooling problems. We have to follow main 3 steps in simple way. That is, first working rule, we have to write the given data from the given problem. Step 1, find the value of c. First we have to find the value of c, and step 2, find the value of k, and step 3, find the value from the given data. That means if the question asks to find the temperature, then we have to find temperature theta. If question asks time, then we have to find time t, that which gives the temperature of the body at any time. Okay, now let's solve some problems. Okay, problem 1, that is, a body is originally at 80 degrees centigrade and cools down to 60 degrees centigrade in 20 minutes. If the body of the surrounding temperature in air is 40 degrees centigrade, find the temperature of the body after 40 minutes. By the working rule, we have to write given data. Here temperature theta equal to 80 degrees centigrade initial temperature. So T equal to 0, and at second case after temperature is 60 degrees centigrade at time after 20 minutes, and surrounding medium is in air. Temperature in surrounding medium is theta naught equal to 40 degrees centigrade. So here we have to find the temperature of the body after 40 minutes. We have to find the temperature of the body. Temperature is theta after 40 minutes. T given time 40 minutes. So from Newton's law of cooling, theta equal to theta naught plus C into e power minus kt. We already seen that. Okay. Then first step 1 is to find C. Then theta is the initial temperature. Find C. Step 1. Find the value of C. Then 80 equal to, that is in surrounding mediums, that is 40 plus C into e power kt. That is initially theta is 80 and theta naught is 40 at time t equal to 0. Okay, 80 equal to 40 plus C into e power minus k into 0, that is 1. 80 minus 40 equal to C equal to 40. And step 2 is find the value of K at given temperature theta equal to 60 degrees and surrounding medium of the body temperature is theta naught equal to 40 degrees and C equal to 40 at the temperature T equal to 20 minutes. Final temperature here given T equal to 20 minutes. We know that from Newton's law of cooling, theta equal to theta naught plus C into e power minus k T. 60 equal to 40 plus 40 into e power minus k into 20. 60 minus 40 equal to 40 into minus 20k. That is 60 minus 40 is 20 equal to 40 into e power minus 20k. 20 by 40 equal to e power minus 20k. That exponential to logarithm function log into 20 by 40 equal to minus 20k. Log into 1 by 2 equal to minus 20k. That is k equal to minus 1 by 20 into log 1 by 2. And finally step 3 is we have to find the temperature. So here given here time is 40 40 minutes, the temperature of the body after 40 minutes. Given, we have to find the temperature of the body after 40 minutes. Then we have to find theta, temperature. T equal to 40 and theta naught equal to, that is surrounding medium is 40, and C equal to 40, then K equal to minus 1 by 20 into log 1 by 20, 1 by 2. So we know that from Newton's law of cooling, theta equal to theta naught plus C into e power minus kt, that equal to theta. We have to find theta equal to, that means temperature, equal to 40 plus 40 into e power minus kt, that means minus into minus plus 1 by 20 log 1 by 2, and temperature is 40. Here I am writing here T into, that means 40 and into equal to 2, 40 plus 40 e power log 1 by 2 whole square, exponential logarithm both cancel, 40 plus 40 into 1 by 2 whole square. Theta equal to 40 plus 40 by 4, 4 1 ja 4 10 ja, that equals to theta is equals to 50 degrees centigrades. Hence the temperature of the body after 40 minutes is 50 degrees centigrades. Thanks for watching.